guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. So girlies, today I'm going to create a look using the Primark Floral Daze collection. I'm going to try my best. Hair situation, obviously we can't get to the hairdressers, so it's au naturel with a little bit of Moroccan oil getting in. And yeah, I've tamed it down. It was really out here a second ago, so a bit of Moroccan oil straight through the hair and it's just like calmed it a little bit, just scooch back a little bit. So today I'm going to create a look using the Floral Daze collection. So we're going to start off with a base and I'm going to quickly put my foundation on and a bit of bronzer. Do we need bronzer? Yeah, a bit of bronzer, and then I'll be right back. I'm back. I've just put my foundation and bronzer on, and then we're going to dive into the eyeshadow. So we've got these three shades. This one's more like a pinky, and then you've got the peachy and then the blue. I don't know whether to do something with all three or just do one nice and plain like I would normally wear. My nails are in such a bad state. It's all coming off there because you needed to see that. Right then, let's get into doing some eyeshadows in with this colour, and this is the shade Lily. Oh god, so it's like a nude base, which I like, and I'm just going to apply all over the lid, I think, and then just blend it out. Start where the crease is and then just blend. Blend, blend, blend. Bit of fallout, but we don't mind that from Primark. For £2, you can't really complain, can you? My eyebrows are seriously in need of doing, but I don't know when the next time we're going to be going to get them done. So last week I sat and cleaned all of my brushes. There's over 200 brushes. I'm obsessed. I literally collect makeup brushes. My favourite are Brush Junkie and Spectrum collections. Oh my god, I absolutely love Spectrum collections. I'm using the B06 Spectrums, and this is the Hugo Glen Coco. So this is the Mean Girl collection, and it came in the Mean Girl bag. I've got it here. I absolutely love it. So it's the Mean Girl book bag. I spilled a bit of coffee on it, so I need to clean that. I need to wash my head cover, to be fair. It's been a while. Okay, so just going to blend that out like that. Okay, and I'm going to go in with Tulip, so it's like a peachy. You can make it nice and okay, and then we'll go in using the other brushes. Let's go in with this one. This is a Zoeva shader brush, so it's like a flat one. Okay, tap any extra stuff and then just blend that. Add that there. Okay, so it's very nude. This is what we want anyway, very plain. It's not like I'm going anywhere. I'm just going to wear it around the house. But it does make me feel so much better. Ooh, no, I've just did my top. I'm obviously going to clean the brushes that I've used now, and then that way they don't get mixed up. So I've just used these two brushes, and I've actually used my foundation brush and my bronzer brush. So all these I'm going to rewash and then put back in the pile after, so that I'm not putting any dirty ones in clean, just in case. Then I'm just going to blend all this out, go back in with the same brush with the first colour Lily on, and just blend it out. So nothing OTT. Okay, so it's just very naturally nude. Go over maybe like this. Tell I'm like really bad. I'm just experimenting with the colours, just going with the flow. They are really nice colours, so if you like a nice natural blend, then definitely go for these. Okay, and then maybe we should go over like a blue over it. Yeah, do like a blue, maybe a blue eyeliner. That's what we'll do. So we'll take an eyeliner pencil. This one. This is a Zoeva 230 Luxe pencil. And I'm going to dip it into the blue and then do it and draw it on my lash line. Okay. And then maybe blend it into the blend it. That's a nice colour, isn't it? Okay. And the same on this lid. They're very light in colour, very pastel-y. Just blend that. There you go. I like that. That's quite cute, isn't it? Okay then. And then we're going to go in with some Spectrum dark matter mascara. I need to order some more of this because it's running out. So mascara's on. Go for a full face today, guys. Oh my god. I'm gonna just go in, I think, a bit more with the blue and just really emphasize a bit more of the blue underneath the lash. Okay, that's that. Blend out. So if you get any kind of mascara like stuck on your lid, just take the blending brush that you had the colour in the crease line, and then wherever the mascara is, just blend it out and it will actually fade away. So it's just a little tip. Saves you having to take a wipe and then just removing it. Just do that and voila, it's gone. Okay, next up, let's go in with some blusher. We've got this one, which is like a peachy, which is called Bloom. So that's Bloom. And then we have Bouquet, which is this one here. Very nudie. I like that one. Or should we go for this one? Should we go for this one? Let's go for Bloom. It's got more of a peachy tone to it. We'll do. Okay, this is a Karl Lagerfeld blusher brush. And then blend it into the bronzer. It's giving me that nice little fresh glow. Bit of a peachy cheeks, isn't it? Okay, that's blusher. And then let's go in with some highlighter, which is the highlighter trio. And let's go for the middle colour. The middle colour is, oh my god, I had the names of them. What have I done with them? Oh, I forgot what the name is. Well, it's in the packet anyway. Right, then I'm going to go in with my highlighting brushes. Go with the middle one. Highlighter is my jam. I love highlighter, it makes me smile. And then just apply. There, can you see it? My eyebrows are so bad, like really bad. I feel like I can't see the highlight. Let me change my brush. Let's go for this one. Highlighting brush from Brush Junkie. It's definitely a glow there, isn't there? Yeah. Not more, I like more normally. And a Cupid there. Can't forget that. So I haven't had any kind of smell, sense of smell for over, like, it's nearly been since lockdown, so nearly over a week, and I'm only managing, well, not even, I still can't smell anything, and it's really frustrating, so I can't smell anything. My taste is okay, but yeah, I'm gonna put some highlight. You know what, these highlighters, you've really got to dig into them. Okay, make it a little pop a little bit. And then we have a choice of lipsticks, or we have a choice of lip gloss with a lip cream and a lip gloss. So should we go for the lip cream? I'm liking this colour, which is lavender. No, it's not the lavender. Let's go peony, whatever you say. I don't know. We'll do lipstick instead. I like this one. My lips are dry. So we've got that shade. Nah, just take that off. Right then, let's go for Dahlia. Very light. Okay, I like that. And you got to, I think, give it like a little bit of a layer and then go over it. So yeah, I'm gonna just try out this new e.l.f. highlighter that I bought, and this is in the colour Moonlight Pearls. Just want to test it out because I feel like I haven't got any highlighter on, so I'm just gonna put some of this on. I'm not too keen on the highlight trio. See, that's what you call highlighter now. Okay, there you go, that's better. I am actually glowing now. There you go. So yeah, maybe I'll have to try it out. Bit of a gold glow there. Maybe if it goes on with your finger better. I don't know. Bit of a hit and miss with this one. So that's the highlight trio. But the eyeshadows are really cute. That's the eyeshadow, very plain, with a blue and a blue eyeliner. And the blusher I really like. It's very nice and subtle, and the lipstick's really nice too. So yeah, I like those. Should we give a little bit of a lip cream on top, or a bit of a gloss? Do a bit of a lip cream and see how this goes. So this is the colour Lavender. It smells so nice. Like sausage roll stuck in my teeth. Not very ladylike, is it? But anyway, yeah, I like that. I actually like the lip cream. It gives it a nice, soft, subtle look. So there you have it, guys. This is the look I've created using the Floral Daze collection from Primark. My best, I'd say that I like the eyeshadows and I like the lip. The blusher, maybe if I went a bit, more hard on it, then you'll be able to see. But I actually like it because it's quite subtle and it gives you that nice little colour pop to your skin. It gives you that, breaks up all that foundation look, and bit of warmth back into the face. So it's a nice little touch of glow there. Then we've got the highlighter, which I wasn't really keen on, and then I just tried out the new e.l.f. and I like that. That's really nice and subtle. So yeah, there you have it. I did a tester of all the colours on my last Primark video when I did the shopping haul, so go and check that out if you want to check out the colours But yeah, that's it guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell if you would like to see more videos from me. I would really appreciate it. And let me know in the comments down below if you what you would like me to share next. I've got a couple of unboxings coming because obviously it's new month, so new subscription boxes, and they should all hopefully be coming soon. The giveaway is now closed, so I will pick 3 winners, and they will be shipped out once all this lockdown palaver has ended, because I don't want to risk, you know, it getting lost or stuff like that, and plus I want it to get there to you safe anyway. So yeah, I will do that. I will announce the winners and I will get all your details, and then I will ship it out. I did say the end of April, May, so yeah, stay tuned for that. Thanks again for tuning in guys, and I'll see you all on my next video. Bye.